Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description. Determine whether it is one-to-one. So here we have a graph, and to determine whether a function is one-to-one, we have to do the horizontal line test. That means we have to test that for if any horizontal line that we place, will it intersect with the function more than once? Because every x value needs to have a unique y value, any particular y value, let's say this is y equals 4, cannot intersect at two different x values on the function. And we can see that for almost any y value we pick within the domain of the function, we do get two answers. So for example, we do that and we see we have two intersection points. Therefore, we can say, no, the function is not one-to-one.